The iconic Eden Gardens welcomes us into a fresh chapter of T20 cricket as the Kolkata leg of the 18th edition of the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy gets underway. It's an elite Group B clash that sets the tone here between Jammu and Kashmir and Maharashtra.
जम्मू कश्मीर ने टॉस जीता, पहले गेंदबाजी का फैसला लिया है.
Arshin Kulkarni and Prithvi Shaw in the middle of his reboot season. Hardly a surprise once again. It's the man, Aqib Nabi. And the first ball of the opening fixture here.
इस बार बैकफुट पे पंच किया, टाइमिंग देखिए, चौका आया पहला आज के दिन का.
He threw his hands at this one. Played a big role. Nicely wristed off the hips this time around. Lofted and straight to the fielder. Excellent front diving catch from Abdul Samad. And Prithvi Shaw will have to walk back to the pavilion for just 5 runs to his name.
और चलता किया है पृथ्वी शॉ को. जाएंगे वापस 5 रन बनाकर. पहला विकेट गिरा है 16 पे महाराष्ट्र का.
The skipper of Maharashtra making his way to the pitch. Oh, thick edge, but enough meat on that one. Abid on that occasion, but this time Arshin Kulkarni goes downtown. Muscles this into the leg side once again.
इस बार फिर शॉट खेला है और इस बार कमाल का कैच. ये कैच आसान रहते नहीं है, पर इस खिलाड़ी ने वो कमाल करके दिखाया है. शायद नबी थे वहां पे, तेज गेंदबाज.
Kulkarni goes back for a 13-ball 20 end of the 4th over. Maharashtra 32 for 1.
पर राहुल त्रिपाठी आए नए बल्लेबाज, काफी एक्सपीरियंस के बाद.
Edge and dropped. Tripathi gets a lifeline while he was runless. And that was a genuine thick edge that should have been gobbled up by the first slip fielder. Makes room, and this time it is the captain who edges straight to the wicket keeper. And Yudhvir Singh gets a well-deserved wicket.
वो फारिस स्पेल डालते हुए युद्धवीर पहले कैच छूटा, उसके बाद गायकवाड़ को चलता किया है और तीसरा झटका दिया है महाराष्ट्र को. 34 पे 3 है महाराष्ट्र. ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ जाएंगे वापस 6 रन बनाकर.
And with that, in comes the left-handed Azim Qazi.
Guides that to third and finds a boundary as well. Beautifully driven, finds the gap.
यहाँ मौका था रनआउट का.
Direct hit there. It does look like the batter made his ground. We'll take a good look here. A good technique, running through the crease, grounding the bat. Outside off stump, draws Rahul Tripathi into the shot, and the keeper with another smart catch. 4 down now, Maharashtra.
और बिल्कुल यहाँ पे ब्लफ किया है. वो फिल्टर पीछे भेजा था स्केल लेग का, पर गेंद को आगे किया. राहुल त्रिपाठी जाएंगे वापस 5 रन बनाकर.
Ranjit Nikam, still early stages of his T20 career.
इस बार शॉट खेला है बिल्कुल. वहां पे युद्धवीर थे और आसान सा कैच. यहीं पे मैं आने वाला था कि स्टंप्स में रखिए, वहां से मारने दीजिए और पहला सफलता मिली है मुरुगन अश्विन को और 5 में झटका दिया है महाराष्ट्र को.
Ends up slicing it, does Qazi. Yudhvir Singh with the catch as Azim Qazi goes back for a run of ball 14, 55 for 5. It's been a good team effort so far as Nikhil Nayak makes his way out. Over 1,000 T20 runs. He has experience. Looking for the big shot, finds the gap as well. Slower delivery on the leg side and finds the gap. Back-to-back boundaries. Shorter length and a chance goes down. A difficult one at that. That's been the fielding standard that Jammu and Kashmir have set this morning. High standards. Big appeal. Does seem like it's right in front of the stumps, and the umpire obliges by raising that finger. Keeping it on the stumps here is Jammu and Kashmir. A change in bowling pays dividends.
And that's the end for Nikam for a run of ball 10, end of his day, and Maharashtra 74 for 6.
As Vicky Ostwal comes out to bat. A lot of work to do and finds the boundary. Goes over extra cover. Brilliance.
इस बार जगह थी और उसका फायदा उठाया यहाँ पे.
Nayak gives it the charge, swivels full but finds the fielder. Mushtaq takes a straightforward catch and that is going to be the 7th wicket down for Maharashtra.
और उतना अच्छा टाइम हुआ नहीं, जगह बनाई थी पर उमरान मलिक कमाल की गेंदबाजी. और जाएंगे वापस निखिल नायक 19 रन बनाकर वापस और 102 के साथ महाराष्ट्र.
Ramakrishna Ghosh, the fast bowling all-rounder. Got all of that, did Oswal. Excellent connection or not. Another catch completed with ease by this terrific, spectacular J&K fielding unit. And that is going to be curtains for Ghosh for 12 runs.
और रामकृष्ण जाएंगे वापस 12 रन बनाकर 116 पे 8 महाराष्ट्र.
Rajvardhan Hungargekar, new batter in.
इस बार ऊपर रखा था, बड़ा शॉट खेलने की कोशिश की और कामयाबी हुए पे. इस बार छोटा गेंद था, जगह बनाई और रन जरूर मिलेंगे.
Innovation from Oswal leads to his undoing as wicketkeeper Kanhaiya Vadwan takes an easy catch.
वो बिल्कुल ऊपर रखा, जानते थे शॉर्ट टर्म में खिलाड़ी ऊपर है, वो सोच अच्छी थी. 9वां झटका दिया है महाराष्ट्र को. ओसवाल ने एक अच्छी पारी खेली, 21 रन बना के जाएंगे वापस. 130 पर 9 है महाराष्ट्र.
Prashant Solanki, the last man in. Through the gates and into the castle goes Nabi as he adds another wicket to his name. A well-deserved 3-wicket haul for the standout bowler from J&K as Prashant Solanki is bowled.
महाराष्ट्र की पारी को सिमटा है वहां पे 130 रन पर. सोलंकी जाएंगे वापस शून्य पे.
130 all out.
131 is all J&K need to seal their first win of the 18th edition of the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy.
And starting will Kamran Iqbal for J&K will start at the striker's end. And his opening partner, the captain himself, Shubham Kajuria. Plenty of experience there. It's time for the first ball of the chase. And a hint of movement away from the right-hander as I welcome Rahul Sharma.
इस बार टाइम हुआ नहीं है, फील्डर पीछे हैं जरूर पर बिल्कुल बचे हैं वहां पे. लकी रहे कामरान इकबाल. इस बार फिर थोड़ा छोटा किया, टाइम हो गया यहां पे.
Pulled away, nicely placed.
यहां पे आप रखेंगे तो खराब लाइन इस बार फिर.
It's gone in the air on the leg side, and it goes all the way as well. Fortuitous for Iqbal. It's gone high in the air. This is going to take some catching. Two fielders converging. A spectacular catch from the fielder running in from third. Is that the moment of brilliance that Maharashtra need to get back into this contest, to claw their way back? That opening partnership is broken.
J&K lose their first wicket, 48 for 1.
Vivrant Sharma to the crease, 403 runs.
Vivrant goes leg side and he's smoked the leather of this one. Goes leg side once again and holds out to Azim Qazi. Smiles amongst the fielding unit of Maharashtra as Vivrant falls for 11 runs.
विवरांत जाएंगे वापस 11 रन बनाकर. 68 पे 2 है जम्मू कश्मीर.
Musaf coming in at second drop. Oh, pushed onto the back foot and the dreaded finger goes up. Prashant Solanki has a double wicket over to his name and the wrist spinner is making quite the statement of intent with the ball in hand.
तीसरा झटका दिया जम्मू कश्मीर को. लगातार आपको ऐसी गेंदबाजी करनी पड़ेगी. 71 पे 3 है जम्मू कश्मीर. शुभम खजूरिया जाएंगे वापस 26 रन बनाकर.
Abdul Samad on strike now for J&K. Lots of loop on that occasion.
वहां पे इरादे स्पष्ट कर दिए हैं समद ने.
Short ball, copes it on the body. In fact, it is the bat. Musef could not get a measure of that rising bouncer and eventually pays the price for it.
और चलता किया मुसेफ को, जाएंगे वापस 5 रन बनाकर 12वें पर 4 जम्मू कश्मीर।
Wicket keeper Kanhaiya Vadhava.
अभी तक अच्छी गेंदबाजी की है, विकेटलेस रहे हैं पर अच्छा शॉट वहां पे विकेट कीपर हैं, जानते हैं इस विकेट पे खेलना कैसे है।
Cleaned him up straight through. A beauty from Rajvardhan Hungergaker and knocks over the stumps of Abdul Samad. The ball goes all the way to the boundary. That's the sort of pace, clipping the top of off stump, a dream delivery.
और इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट वहां पे जो चाहिए थी अब्दुल समद के रूप में, वापस जाएंगे 20 रन बनाकर। 105 पे 5 है जम्मू कश्मीर।
Mushtaq makes his way out. It was good with the ball, but it's now his turn with the bat. Looking to give it the charge and does well. Gets past point.
इस बार
Looks to clear that over the deep fielder and does so with commensurate ease. Goes with the short delivery, but nicely pulled away. Inside edge. Gets past the keeper. Will finish with 4 fortuitous runs. Jammu and Kashmir have chased this target of 131 with just the loss of 5 wickets in 18.4 overs. First win of the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy for them.
और बड़ी जीत जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए, 5 विकेट